This is a woodworking project I'm working on. This is the underside of a drawer, and these are the slides that I have. Unfortunately, I made this a little too wide, and the piece of wood that I have for it, it's going to be wobbling back and forth. That means my drawer is going to be wobbling back and forth when I put it into the cabinet. It is kind of a simple fix. I just cut these pieces of wood like so, and I'm just going to glue them to the side like that, then sand that down afterwards, and it'll look beautiful. Unfortunately, the clamps that I have are a little big and cumbersome, and I don't have many of these clamps. I only have 4, and I have 1.5 foot to do of this specific thing, and it's not going to work for me. And I don't want to drive to Lowe's, and I don't want to spend $25 on little baby clamps like that I'm probably never going to use again. It's going to be very rare that I do use them. So I was thinking, what could I possibly use? And it came to me, binder clips. They're for paper. You can buy them at Staples. You can buy them at Amazon right now. You can buy 100 of these things for under $10. And it is working perfectly for me. They pinch. End of story. It's fantastic. So if you have a project using small pieces of wood and you don't want to use clamps like that, check it out. I guarantee you're going to love this idea. It's going to be super fast. You don't have to do any turning of the screw. And they also work great for bags of chips. You have a good one.